Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check silica in water. Understanding silica levels is crucial for many applications, especially in industrial settings where it can cause significant issues like scaling. We'll walk through the common steps involved in testing, ensuring you can accurately monitor your water quality. This process helps maintain system efficiency and prolong equipment life, saving you time and resources in the long run. Before you begin, gather all necessary materials. You'll need a reliable silica test kit, which typically includes reagents and a color comparator. Collect your water sample in a clean, non-reactive container, making sure it's representative of the water source you wish to test. Avoid any contamination during collection to ensure accurate results. Proper preparation is key to a successful measurement. Now let's perform the test. Carefully follow the instructions provided with your kit. This usually involves adding a precise amount of reagent 1, then reagent 2 to your water sample. Gently mix the solution and allow the color to develop for the specified reaction time, often around 5 to 10 minutes. The color intensity will indicate the silica concentration. Once the color has fully developed, compare it to the color chart included in your kit. This will allow you to determine the silica concentration, typically expressed in parts per million. Record your findings accurately. If your silica levels are too high, you might need to implement water treatment solutions, such as reverse osmosis or deionization, to protect your systems and ensure optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.